Want to remove a contact photo on your iPhone? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Contacts app. You can also open the Phone app and go to the Contacts tab. Scroll through your list and tap the contact whose photo you want to remove. Now tap Edit in the top right corner. Tap on the contact photo at the top again. You'll see options like Photo, Memoji, Emoji, Monogram. Important, there's no direct remove button. To remove the photo, select Monogram. Choose a color you like. This will replace the photo with the contact's initials. Tap Done in the top right corner. If it asks to confirm the contact poster, select the monogram version and tap Done again. And that's it. The contact photo is now removed and replaced with initials. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.